Behind every iconic Whopper lies a masterpiece of industrial engineering. It begins with 100% real beef. No fillers, no additives, just pure quality arriving.
Precision is key. Every patty is formed to exact specifications, ensuring the consistent quality Burger King is known for worldwide.
The signature bun, toasted to a golden brown and topped with premium sesame seeds. It's the perfect foundation for the fire-grilled taste.
The secret is in the science. Every sauce is formulated with microscopic precision to ensure that legendary.
The assembly is a dance of digital precision. Every Whopper is built to the same exacting standards, layer by layer.
Speed meets precision. Every Whopper is wrapped in seconds, locking in the heat and the flame-grilled aroma. From searing heat to sub-zero cold in seconds, flash freezing locks in the peak flavor and texture for every nugget. The secret to the crunch, a proprietary seasoned batter that coats every onion ring with microscopic precision. Innovation meets the flame. The Impossible Whopper is crafted with the same dedication to flavor, using cutting-edge plant-based technology.
The king of sides. Our onion rings are double fried and de-oiled for that signature, clean crunch in every single bite. Safety is our first ingredient. Our labs monitor every batch with DNA-level precision to guarantee the highest food standards on Earth. From our fire to your neighborhood, our global logistics network ensures that the flame-grilled taste you love is always fresh and always ready.
Người Việt Nam chỉ nè, có mấy cáiประเทศหมดครับmấyที่มีเจ้าปีนึงเธอผู้ต้องเรียนอย่างแมนมีป่วยยังปัญหาครับทำให้ห้ามมันจะดังโง่
Burger King, mastering the flame, engineering the taste, and serving the world, one Whopper at a time. Have it your way.